have a problem again. Like my eye is acting up again. I hope you guys can hear me. My eye is acting up again, so I went to Clicks to try and get the ointment that they were talking about. They are still out of stock. I went to Discount, they're still out of stock, and they suggested that I go to this other chemist. So maybe I'll go tomorrow or on Wednesday, or when I have time, I'll see. So I'm gonna get home pretty late, so I'll probably talk to you guys when I get home.
I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. No one will stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your vein. Just fight through the pain. It's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. What you need. I'm what you need.
I forgot to speak to you guys yesterday, the way I was so tired. Oh my gosh, this eye is disturbing me, guys. Like, so yesterday I got home so late. I think around, what time? I think around 8:30. Made something to eat. I showered and then I went straight to bed. That's how tired I was. And then, oh my gosh, today I am going to school, guys. This eye is disturbing me. Like, I feel like today it's worse. And I also need to consult the doctor, because what the hell is this? What the hell is this? My eye feels so heavy. It feels like it's falling. Before I take a shower, I want to change my bedding. Then I'm gonna take a shower. I need to put a hot cloth on this eye, so that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, that's what I've been doing, and it does get better without the ointment, because I can't find the ointment anyway. I went to Discount and Clicks again, and they still don't have it. They say it's been 3 months. Yeah, it's been 3 months. They don't have it. It's a problem with the supplier, blah 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 blah. So I guess we'll just have to wait till it gets better. Yeah, guys, so let's change my bedding, take a shower, and then head to school.
Let your act out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make some simple change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me.
than to feel only means one thing. So I still believe cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world end up be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm fairy tales, I'm the poster. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be down. You tugging more and with my heart. You think the empathy so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, know you can tell me. I can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. You take time, gotta trust who I let you true. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me.
Hi guys, it's currently, I don't know what time is it, but I woke up from a nap. So after I was done cleaning, I took a shower and then I ate. I didn't cook. I thought I'm gonna cook today. I just made some pie. Oh, and I had ribs. Yeah, that's all. And then I took a nap. The reason I took a nap is because I had a headache. These pills are so good, Shim. Like, you just, when you have a headache, you just drink them after 30 minutes. So the problem is they make you drowsy, so you are gonna sleep, but that's fine. So I took those and I slept. I woke up and then did absolutely nothing. Oh guys, Pirates won. I couldn't watch the match because I was sleeping, but then obviously I knew that we were gonna win. Okay. Orlando Pirates won. Akamagala, like, anyway guys, I have some good news. I have some good news, but I feel like I don't want to announce it now. Why should I announce it? You guys will just see. Those who know, and those who don't know, they're about to know. So yeah guys, maybe I'll talk about it in my next vlog, or you guys will just see it, you know. Tomorrow is Sunday and I'm going to church, but then I'm not gonna take you guys with me. I want to end the vlog here. And yeah, if you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.